Now we're down here, we're going to feed the catfish. I don't know if you can see, they're moving a little bit already. But watch how crazy they get as soon as we get that feed in there. And they get crazier than that. There they go. You hear Grizzly panting behind us. It's hard to catch them all on camera.
Down there.
Oh, that was a big one. See if I can hold the bow and feed them at the same time. You doing, Grizzly? Yeah, they go a little crazy. We feed them a high protein food once a week. Grizzly, you're crazy. See Johnny over there across the pond. Yeah, they go crazy. We get their protein food from Rural King here locally to us. I'll leave a link down below if you have any fish in your pond to feed. This is literally this is catfish, high protein diet. He's silly. I don't know how well you can see them in the water. See it? It's a nice size one. We got some pretty good sized ones in here. We always just catch and release. For now, we might be thinning some of them out. What, next spring maybe? Thinning some of these out.
Yeah, if I can add more.
Yeah, we want to get a grass carper too to help get rid of this stuff right here. This is trying to take over all around, especially over on the ends. Look how they splash when I move the camera.
There, I got them going over there now.
I'm only going to make this video about 5 minutes. That way it won't take so long to upload and you all get to enjoy the catfish along with us. And this noise you're hearing, me digging in the food. Grizzly running around like a little dummy. He loves it. Surprised he's not got in the water yet. Don't give him any ideas, huh? Here, you want to throw some more food in there? We're at 4 minutes and 25 seconds. I'm going to stop it here in about 30 seconds. We thought maybe you all would enjoy watching these silly catfish. Bunch of them down there.
Get a good picture of that.
Oh, I love those. Keep away. I heard a kid call that a zipper spider on a video the other night. We just call them banana spiders. They are good to keep the bad bugs away. See if we can get a close-up on a fish. Right here. I hear a bee flying around me. Thanks for your opinion, Grizzly. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, I already went over time, I said. That's up. Okay, y'all have a good night. Thanks for joining us.